Oh, yeah.
Who'd you get?
Oh.
Lichy
yeah.
Lich? First pick Lichy Lich, huh?
So do I go Strafe or do I go Curse of Avernus? I'm going right click for sure.
I would strongly suggest Curse because Crystal Maiden has 200 attack speed at level 20.
Okay.
And that'll be annoying as fuck. But it's your life. Do what you want. Do what you want. What you want. What you want.
I'm gulping. I'm gulping right click, guys. I'm gulping.
He's gulping.
What do you think the chances borrowed time comes back to me?
It won't.
Because you're gonna pick it?
No, because Omni Knight will. Omni Knight. He's more than likely gonna go like Decay, Borrowed Time.
What? What?
Alright.
This draw is probably gonna get Strafe.
I feel boingy today.
Boingy, huh?
Ping pongy.
Bouncy, bouncy. Are you gonna get Arcane Supremacy?
I'm gonna
I don't
try.
know. Haven't even thought about what I'm gonna pick.
Stuns.
Decay.
Frostbite, damn it.
Oh.
Frostbite.
No, he already picked it. You can go Impale.
I picked that. Oh yeah, I take Spike Carapace. Shit. It's been a long time.
Get
I haven't
Vacuum.
drafted.
Get Vacuum. You're gonna
No,
build
Vacuum?
it.
don't get
Okay.
vacuum. Don't get vacuum.
He's gonna build into an Ags build. A Vacuum with Miscoil.
Oh, okay.
Vacuum.
Vacuum or
Yeah, vacuum.
Vortex?
Vacuum. We're gonna do wombo combos. When you hit your vacuums, Dread's gonna be able to kill everyone with Chain Frost.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted vacuum. Because I'm gonna go Electric Vortex and Sinister Gaze. But for right now, I'll get Supremacy.
Alright, well I still have survivability. I'm gonna get Ball Lightning.
Yeah.
And I actually am gonna get Strafe too. Hell freaking yeah. Oh, that's gonna hurt.
4, 3,
Yep.
2, 1.
Okay, I can go Electric Vortex and then Misco, right?
Well, Dread's gonna get well, Dread, there's no point for you to go Ags because you don't get unlimited bounces with Chain Frost anymore.
And then nobody's gonna pick Electric Vortex like from the 4 guys in front of me.
Okay.
Only Omni.
I'll just go
So yeah, I
Tombstone.
go Vortex.
Yeah.
And then there's-
Tombstone.
Tombstone or Telekinesis, because you have talent trees for Telekinesis. Or Fade Bolt.
I just don't want to have to deal with Tombstone on the other side.
You can go Gaze too if you want, even though you're not going to Ags.
I go Rift.
Okay. Yeah, so no one's gonna pick Miscoil, so that can be your last pick, Noodle. Go Gaze, Noodle, because if you can actually get an Ags, you vacuum everyone and then Gaze them, it's instant win. So Sinister Gaze for sure. And if he block picks you, then you can go like a Photic Shield for Talent Tree or something. Perfect. Gaze. Alright. What are you doing? Oh, you're deafened. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god.
And no one
Defended. Deafened.
taking it.
Deafened. Why? Am I spelling it? Why does that look so wrong? Am I?
Oh, that's right.
Okay.
Defend.
He picked Degenora.
Yeah. I don't know why he's muted. Deafened.
4,
Mute deaf.
3, 2, 1. Your turn to pick.
Man, if he had fucking Sinister Gaze. Noodle, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm back. I'm back.
What are you doing? Did your brother pick for you?
No,
Why didn't you get Sinister Gaze?
I got distracted.
Oh,
I know it's bad. I should have picked it. Like, it's my favorite ability. I just had like 1 second because I had to go and I came back for the last second of the pick, so yeah. I messed up. Anyway, we'll win this. Bracelet, yes.
I don't know how you're gonna get farm, but if you get an Axe, it'll really help our team fight.
Yeah. Yeah, haven't drafted for long, so yeah, forgot everything, mostly. Have you seen my game?
What
The
game?
game I sent you on Discord, I think.
The chess thing?
Yeah,
I just didn't
it's
download
amazing.
it.
We can play it on Discord.
The thing is, like, it looked like in your preview that my chess. Oh, okay. I wasn't ready for that. My chess piece
turn.
explodes if your chess piece kills it. And I would
It
think if,
depends,
if
like-
I get a kill, my chess piece should react. You know what I mean? Like you're punishing someone for taking a chess piece. That's what it looked like.
Well,
You know what I
every
mean?
chess piece has a power.
Correct. But like if my chess piece hits your chess piece and kills yours, your chess piece power goes off, not mine.
Yeah, that's because it was the queen. The queen, when she died,
Oh, okay.
explodes.
That's her power, okay.
Should I be using very often my Mistcore, or
Are you with Dread or are you
I
with
don't know.
someone else?
I'm Abaddon? Abby.
It doesn't really matter, I guess. I mean, you can try to use it to get last hits from distance, since they're being kind of aggro.
Okay.
I would say if you were to use it on anybody, focus Darkseer. Because he's going to be the most annoying. He has 2 stuns.
No, I'm bad.
This drow is dog shit. I'm owning her, and I shouldn't be. I'm going greedy this game. I'm gonna go Midas.
Act.
Okay, Omni Knight has Shadow Walk apparently. I didn't see that.
Yeah. Get wrecked, baby.
Oh wait, then that's a lot of damage. I should be harassing him.
Nice.
Continue.
Oh no, my
Wait.
courier.
Radiant's
Fuck.
courier has been killed. All those step onto the battlefield. Risk this.
I'm gonna get a sentry.
Oh, I was about to buy one, but okay.
I'll drop it since my courier's dead. I dropped a Ob and a sentry in Fountain.
Okay, cool.
If you wanna
Bro,
bring it.
bring it to me.
I can't. My courier's dead.
Wait.
Bounties?
You
I'll
have to
just-
do it.
Can you pause for a second? I need to change my controls.
Just disconnect, and then
Options.
you
wait,
need to
hotkeys.
disconnect.
Add a move. Purchase courier. No, I just changed courier from F3 to F8. I don't know. Okay, it's okay.
I hope Omni has to pause this game. Spam unpause it on him.
Oh, pretty weak. Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Fuck, I don't have a ward.
Oh wait, I got the words. I'm gonna give it.
Really need a ward, fuck. This is uphill or fucking killing me.
A chill wind. Dead man drifting. Invigoration. Truly.
How do we not have wards? I need fucking wards.
Dead man drifting. Dead ahead.
Oh, thank you.
Cool. Does it tingle? Killing spree. Double kill.
Great heals.
Always for the dead. To battle. Cold front coming. The enemy attacks your top tower. Oh, that's agreed. Cold cuts. That should help. Adrift. Regeneration. Now you must decide what comes next. I'll bury you. Quickly.
I'll rotate out of mid soon.
Going. Feel the freeze.
哎，队友呢？队友嘞？哎，队友呢？队友呢？队友呢？
Biting cold. The tower is under attack. My blood runs cold. Fight.
Not this time.
Stupendous. Truly. Forward. Yes. Killing spree. A chill wind.
That was a bad dive there. I should not have followed.
Not enough Dead man drifting. Quickly.
Base created.
Your top tower is under attack.
Do I even bother with the Maelstrom? I think I'm gonna just go first item MKB.
Look to your top tower.
Do you want me to come top or no?
The cold black pool rejects me. Dead ahead.
Your middle tower faces a terrible test.
Let's push this tower quickly.
Dire structures are fortified.
Fuck. I'm going middle.
The
I really don't want to lose mid
your
tower.
middle tower.
Cold front coming.
Okay. We can fight bottom again. Go.
To battle. Cold snap. Go with my double kill. Chill wind. Biting cold. Truly. The frost.
Coils down.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
There's more down here.
Okay. We can kill him.
I'm so slow compared to you.
Good job.
To the cold grave. Death march. Yes. Forward. Does it tingle?
Want to go on him again?
Sure. Going.
Go. Why can't attack? I'm missing everything. Good job. I fucking whiffed that so hard.
I was like, why isn't he attacking? He's in the air. He's in the air. Why am I getting hit? What the? Ooh. Uh-oh. There's a guy on us. Run this way to Sentry. We might be able to kill.
He fucked up.
Kill.
And that's the game. 100 damage. He's no Pepe Da anymore.
Agreed. Yes. Cold front coming. I'll bury you.
They must have a board. Maybe they don't.
I got you a gift.
Thank you. I'll trade you.
Yeah.
Going. Donation. It's not time yet.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna initiate on him unless I got a silence.
I got sentries coming.
Okay. I mean, go finish, or not finish, go buy my MKB.
Feel the freeze.
To your bottom tower.
Adrift.
Plop a sentry right here and I'll go on him. Okay, that's
Oh
fine.
shit.
That's fine.
Quickly.
I was just seeing if they had a ward.
Forward.
I have another one, so if we chase.
Yeah.
Dead man drifting.
I say just take tower for now.
Yep.
Dire have fortified their structures against attack.
I have chain frost too if they initiate.
Yes.
Okay, he went invis.
Stupendous. Numb you.
Good job. Can you get out?
I don't know why he fucking invised. He was a dingbat. He wasted his fucking skelly walk.
I am under
We can kill this bitch.
I don't know if we needed that.
Hey, shoot some coils at me. Shoot some coils at me, Noodle. Not anymore, not anymore. You're gonna kill yourself.
chill wind.
Dig me up a health potion, please.
Agreed.
Oh, you're already gone.
I'm walking back. I'll
No,
TP.
no, it's fine, it's fine.
If things are still popping off, I'll grab you one. Ooh, I would very much like that, but so would you.
Cold front coming.
Actually, no, I'll take the arcane ring that's been chilling. Or the essence ring. Okay.
Frostbite.
And he just walks up and dies.
The enemy's middle tower can withstand no more. Dire structures are fortified.
Adrift.
I think I'm gonna get a Deso. Fuck survivability, just really just lay into him.
The enemy's top tower brought to ruin. Mega kill! Pony! His bottom tower has been demolished.
I'll bury you.
I've been wanting this.
Cold cuts.
Fucking emote on me, bitch. Chat wheel me.
Feel the freeze.
I got mana boots.
Nice.
Wow, it tickles your mana pool. Oh, that's funny.
I'll tank it, make it focus me. Okay. Coil someone. Get more health. Okay.
He's like,
He's
No,
muted.
I'd be
He-
okay.
Well, he muted himself too. He's not talking. Let's Roche.
Fight. Going. Quickly.
Do you have a sentry?
I can bring more.
Yeah, I just want one right here.
They're on the way.
Do you know the way?
DD.
Oh, baby.
I'm gonna grab it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I know. I
Take
wanna.
it.
I wanna get my Midas timing. It's fine.
Okay.
If he grabs it, you just sentry and he's dead.
He's gonna swap. Where do you want this sentry?
Just right here. What's my next item?
I don't know, but we're gonna go kill Green because he was talking shit.
Maybe Satanic.
Arms for the dead.
How did that not count? You killed him and you didn't get it.
I did. It went off on my screen.
Oh, okay. This fucking courier is in my way.
Ow, fuck.
The enemy's top tower falls to oblivion.
Dead ahead. Fighting cold.
I admit nothing but my sadness that you're gone.
A chill wind. Quickly.
What an easy game.
Yes.
I actually get one good hero to carry.
Going.
Don't need to force like a Jakiro carry or anything. Man, that drought was bad too. Fuck. 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 You know what I'm most pissed off about? I'm ruining my Midas timing.
You're like, this is fucking.
That's a whole Midas right there. A whole fucking active. I'm gonna TP on their or on their side of the map over here, and I'm gonna kill someone. Get vengeance. He's deleted.
Cold snap.
Alright, I have a satanic.
Cool down. Truly. Forward.
Noodle, just run at him. Just run at him. Once they root you, I'm good. I can go in and kill them.
Truly.
Dyer's ancient, and Radiance, for that matter, are possibly in no danger at all.
Good job.
The enemy's middle barracks compromised. A decided push towards victory. The enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
This fucking wall. I guess I could blink through it.
You scared the shit out of me just there.
Dire structures are fortified.
Ow. Ow.
Dead man drifting.
Nah, I don't want to dive. I just want to end.
Middle tower.
Oh, nice.
Fighting cold.
Monster kill. Double kill.
End.
Holy moly! Holy moly!
Yeah, buddy. Report Omni, big gay. Did you read that?
He was getting frustrated. Him and Darkseer are getting frustrated bot.